And then now let's have a look. Let's look at the result by going back to the Datasphere, and then let's create a graphical view. And then in order to assess the forecast result, we'll need to go to the open schema. That was the one, and then the or two is the one we have created, and let's simply drag and drop. And then now we can create an model on that. Let's preview the data. Sort the result by the calendar month. And then as you can see it, we're having the next 12 month forecast result for the waste volume and green gas house and cost, and that is the forecast result in this case. With that, I conclude the demo. Thank you.